Hello, this is Nathan from EHUE Online Learning Space, back to teach you Python. In this lesson, you are going to learn about basic numbers in math, which includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainders, exponents, numbers, and even more ways to print words. So to start off, let's get on with printing words multiple times. To print a word multiple times easily, you want to name what you're printing. So in this case, I'm going to use hellos forever equals the word you want to repeat. So in this case, I'm going to use hello. You can write hello in apostrophes so that it works. If you don't, it will not work. So you're going to write hello multiplied by the number of times you want it to repeat. I'm going to use 42. You want to print hellos forever, and you'll get your word repeated the amount of times you wanted it to. I'll show you what happens when you do not use the apostrophes. You'll get an error and it will not work. So remember to always put your apostrophes in. Next, we're going to use the addition operator to combine phrases. So in this case, we are going to use Python awesome. So we're going to write what we want to name it. So Python awesome equals, in apostrophes, Python, comma, plus awesome. Make sure you put the space inside the apostrophes, plus awesome. You want to print Python awesome. You'll get Python awesome. That is one way to get phrases connected. So let's get on with our math portion of this lesson. So we're going to start off with simple math such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So to add, you simply pick your numbers such as 4 plus 5, and it'll give you your answer. But another way to do this is write number equals 4 plus 5, and then print number. It will give you your same answer, but it takes a little longer. Also, to subtract, you do the same. So you do 6 minus 2. You'll get your answer. For multiplication, you can use 4 times 3. You'll get your answer, just like above. And for dividing, you just simply do that. A way you can combine these and write them all in one line is write number equals 4 plus 5 minus 2 times 8 divided by 2. Print number, and you'll get your answer. But keep in mind that this will use PEMDAS, so it will not do 4 plus 5 minus 2 times 8 divided by 2. It will do 2 times 8 divided by 2, 4 plus 5 minus 8. So keep that in mind. Next, we are going to learn about remainders. This can be used in division, so what you want to do is write remainder equals what you want to find the remainder for. So in this case, 44 and percentage sign, which means that you are going to do a remainder by the number you want. Print that remainder, and you'll get the remainder, but you will not get the actual answer. So if you want to find the actual answer, you're going to do 44 divided by 3. That'll give you the number and the decimal that follows. But if you're looking for just the remainder, use that. So now we're going to learn about exponents. So how you want to write an exponent is exponent equals what you want it to be, what you want the number as. So 6, write 2 asterisks, and we're going to use squared, print exponent. You're going to get your answer of 36, and you can use this in many ways. So for exponent equals 4 to the power of 18, print exponent, and you'll get that large number. So exponent is just your number, 2 asterisks, and then what you want it to be powered by. So next, we are going to learn about how to put a list of numbers all in one line. So let's start off with an easy example, such as even score numbers equals, in brackets, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, with the commas, and that, and write odd numbers equals, in brackets, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All numbers combined equals even numbers plus odd numbers. Print numbers combined, and you'll get your answer of all the numbers combined. So that is another way to get all your numbers in one line. Finally, you're going to learn about how to repeat a number multiple times. So you simply write print with parentheses and a bracket inside that, the numbers you want to repeat multiple times. So I'm just going to use 5, 6, 7, and 8. Close that bracket times the amount of times you want it to repeat. So I'm going to use 12. And the parentheses, and it'll give you your number repeated. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something new.